Now you are in Shari, you go to Muslim. How many years you learn about Islam?
This is my 10th month practicing Islam.
Wow.
10
Baru
bulan.
10 bulan.
10 bulan.
Okay, can you tell me how can you convert to Islam?
It was little by little. Before I take Shahada, I studied a lot. I met a lot of Muslim people, and I wanted to understand them. I wanted to understand because for Muslim people, it's a big core part of life is believing in Allah, worshiping Allah, being a slave of Allah, and please Him is the big purpose of life. And I couldn't believe what it is like. So I started to study because I went to Kuala Lumpur, Bali, south of Thailand, where a lot of Muslim people are living. And I made a lot of good friends, and I wanted to pray for them, and I started to learn more. And as I started to pray more, I started to pray for my parents, close friends, my sisters, and I noticed that I was becoming a better person because before I didn't care so much about friends, my family. I feel like I didn't appreciate enough for what I had. I was taking everything for granted. It's like, my parents, of course, yeah, thank you. But now I feel more appreciated because every time I pray, I make dua for my parents, my friend, and I love that I was becoming a better daughter. I was becoming a better friend. That made me push to pursue Islam.